at home and all are following the corona safety guidelines. Now welcome to the computer class. In previous week we have completed exercise of chapter 1 up to short answer type questions. Okay, so I hope you all have done the homework in notebook also and done the exercise in book. Now we are going to do long answer type questions, and when I will explain the answers to you, you all will do in the notebook. So the first question is, what is a system software? Okay, long answer type question. Okay, the first one is, what is a system software? So you will write, a system software is a set of instructions. I am speaking also. If you are not able to see the board, then you can listen it. So a system software is a set of instructions that makes a computer perform specific tasks. Okay, and it is asked that what are the different types of system software. So system software are classified into 3 categories. Okay, and they are, the first one is operating system. This is the main part of it. So first one is operating system. The second one is programming software. The third one is utility software. In utility software you can get virus scanner, compression files, backups. These all are the parts of utility software. Okay, so this was the first answer. I am speaking it. A system software is a set of instructions that makes a computer perform specific tasks. System software are classified into 3 categories. First one is operating system, second one is programming software, and the third one is utility software. The next question is, mention the types and examples of application software. Okay, so at first we will write, application software are broadly classified into 2 categories. Means broadly they are of 2 types. The first one is general purpose software, and second one is customized software. Now the general purpose softwares are further classified into 7 categories. Okay, general purpose software are classified into 7 categories. Okay, the first one is word processor. Okay, an example of it is MS Word that we all uses. Here we have to write the type also and example also. So the first one is a word processor and its example is MS Word. Second is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is a Excel software. Okay, so the example is MS Excel. Okay, first one is word processor software, second one is spreadsheet software, third one is presentation software. design. Full form you must know, but if you don't know, then you should computer aided design. Okay. Next types are. Fifth one is DDP software. Okay. DDP, you all know, it stands for desktop publishing software. So its example is Picasso. Okay. The next one is multimedia software. Okay. Sorry. The Picasa is an example of this one, and here we will write Adobe Photoshop. Okay. And the next one is Stocker.
इसको बोल दो.
And the last one is DBMS software. DBMS stands for Database Management Software, and its example is Oracle. So this was a long answer type question. Okay, and the next part is customized software. In customized software, you will write exam software. Example, you can write exam software. One example is sufficient. Today they asked only one example. Okay. Now next questions are application based questions. Okay. So the first one is Sia's father wants to type a letter to his friend. Which type of software should we use? Means to type a letter and he want to send it to his friend. So which type of software they will use? We know that all the typing work we do in word processor. Okay. So the answer will be word processor. Application based questions. Okay. So the first one is, at first we will write the software name. So software is application software and the example is word processor. Okay. The next one is Ramesh's mother wants to check if her system has virus or not. Which software does she need for this? As we know, to detect any virus and to kill it, we use a software that is known as utility software. Okay, and in utility software we use the software virus scanner. Okay, so in the second one you will write utility software, and in it you will write the part virus scanner. Okay, the next one is Suman wants to compress same files on her system. Which utility should she use? So when we want to compress the files that are having same name and they are same, means to remove the duplicacy, we use a program that is known as disk defragmenter.